Hello everyone and welcome back to CBSE TechTalks. Do you also make mistakes in simplification questions? What if I tell you just one rule can fix all your problems? Yes, today we are going to learn VBODMAS, a powerful rule that will help you solve questions in seconds. Most students don't even know what Vinculum is and lose marks in examinations. Many students ignore Vinculum and that's where they lose marks in RMS CET. Always remember V comes before B in VBODMAS. In this video, we will learn VBODMAS with real exam level questions. So first of all, what do you mean by simplification? Simplification means solving a mathematical expression step by step to get correct answer. But the big question is, which option should we do first? That's where BODMAS, or you can say VBODMAS rule comes in. If we see here, VBODMAS, V stands for Vinculum. It means it is a bar or something is highlighted. It is even having priority more than brackets. So second comes within the brackets. Then we have order. Now division and multiplication have same priority, but we start from left hand side. That goes the same thing. Addition and subtraction is also having the same priority, but again we go with the left side. Always follow this order, otherwise your answer can be wrong. So let's start one by one. Now in this case, Vinculum means a bar over number. We saw this first even before brackets that I told you in the previous example also. Now this is an example 20 plus 15 divided by within brackets 5 plus 5, and this is having bar also into 2. It means though 5 and 5 are in bracket but it is having bar, so it need to be calculated before, or this bar, if you talk about this bar, is actually on the complete. Let me select pen once. So when we talk about this bar is already on this, you can say brackets. You may say that brackets already have priority, but then this is again, I will give an example for this also. So first of all, 5 plus 5 will be calculated 10. So when after this, what will happen? It will become 10 and 15 as they are not in the bracket. So you may solve also. So now it will be left with 10 plus 15 divided by 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 is given priority into 2. Now division and multiplication have same priority, but we go with division first, or you can even go with this also. So if you, I will show you both ways. If we divide this 15 by 10, you will get 1.5, and then you are multiplying, so you will get 3.0, or you will get 3 only. If we go the other way, so 20 plus 15 divide by, it is what? So we are going to go with 20. If we go this way 20, and if you divide 15 by 20, you will be getting answer as 7.5. So it is giving you something else. So we go with, first we divide and then we go with the multiplication. I hope it is clear to you. Or if you go this way, it will be going to give you, if you divide 15 by 20, if you this way, so 50, it can't be divided, so it will be 0.0 and with 7, and then you will get 10, so it is going to give you 5.75. This is not the case. We are having answer coming as 3. I hope it is clear. So we divide first, or if we write this way, it means what? It means 15 by 10 into 2. This means this thing. This division means it is not the multiplication by 10, it is multiplying the number way. So that's what we are not supposed to multiply these two terms. If we have, I'm again explaining you, if we have 2 divide by, you can say 12 divided by 4 into 2. It doesn't mean that 12 divided by 8. If you want 8, it means it has to be put in bracket, but it exactly means 12 upon 4 into 2. So that's what we have to follow, proper rules. Okay, let me show you the, I think, hope it is clear. Let me rub this and I will show what the question is. It is. So don't get confused with, though I told you that division is having and multiplication have same priority and we go with the left side. But then you have to put brackets, and if the multiplication is after division, it means what exactly? You have to first divide and then the second number need to be multiplied by the numerator or the first number. Let me select this pen once again and I'm selecting pen. Okay, so in this case we have this one, so it become 10. So the next statement will be 15 divided by 10 by 2. So we are dividing 15 by 10, so 15 by 10 is going to give you 1.5, which need to be multiplied by 2, so it become 3, and then we are adding 20 to 3, so we are getting answer as 23. I hope it is clear. Let's move to next slide. Example of this one is simplify. 20 plus 5 into 3. See, please students, please pay attention. It means what you have to do, we have to first do the multiplication as the rule says, brackets of division, multiplication and then addition and subtraction. So first we need to multiply. If you do the other way, so if you will write this way, the students simply generally do silly mistakes. So what they do, they make it 25 and then they divide, multiply by 3. So we are getting answer as 75, while the exact answer is 20 plus 5 into 3. So 5 into 3 need to be multiplied first and then it need to be added to 20. So the answer should be 35. While this answer is wrong. So this we have to go with this way. Now to overcome this, if you want to first add, then we need to put 10 plus 5 into brackets and then of course we can go with, and then 10 plus 5 will be 15 and then you are multiplying. So this putting bracket is overriding the rules. Multiplication and division is having higher priority, but if we want to do addition first, then we need to put into bracket. I hope it is clear. Next one is multiplication and division have same priority. So just now I explained you in the previous program or previous example, 50 minus 20 divided by 5 into 2. So I told you if you multiply this way, it is going to give you wrong answer. So what we have to do, first of all, we have to divide by. So when we are dividing by this, so what will happen, 50 minus 20 divided by 5 into 2. So first we have to divide 20 by 5, so we will get answer as 4 into 2 minus, so 50 means we have to subtract this number. So 4 into 2 is 8, so 8 need to be subtracted from 50, which is going to give answer as 42. I hope it is clear. Next slide. Fraction simplification. You can even simplify the fraction. So here we have to find out LCM, what we have done in the LCM and SCF chapter. So you need to find out LCM and then you can go with the addition of number if we have to do this way. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. If we go this way, so 3 and 2 are in the denominator form, so or they are at the bottom. So we have 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3. So we have to make the common basis. So they are what? Not having any common number. So the LCM will be 6. So how to make this 2 as 6? You multiply both the denominator and denominator by 3, and in this case you multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So it will become 3 upon 6 plus 2 upon 6. So answer will be 5 upon 6. I hope it is clear. This is basically the question of SCF LCM, but even we can have in the simplification also. Decimal simplification goes the same way. You have to put decimal under decimal and then you will be adding all the digits after decimal point and you will be adding all the digits before decimal point, or you will be doing any action which is given. So when we are adding and subtracting, subtraction is going on, the decimal number should be under decimal. When we divide or multiply, the number of decimal digits after decimal point will be added when we are multiplying. When we are dividing, we have to make equal number of digits or we have to make like decimals and then we can divide them. Now the next question, next slide is common mistakes which the student generally do is skipping. You skip VBODMAS, wrong calculation order, you miss upon the calculation, and sometimes not solving step by step. These are some of the practice questions. You may try these practice questions. In fact, I would like you to try these practice questions and follow BODMAS carefully. Practice daily for RMS CET. If you want to score full marks in maths, start practicing VBODMAS today. Like, share and subscribe to CBSE TechTalks. See you in the next video with the programs, or you can say questions, previous year questions from the topic simplification. Till then, keep practicing.